Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of my students. I hope you all are super great and feeling fantastic, right? Okay. Are you all happy? It's very important to be happy. Yeah, it is. Yeah, okay. Because that keeps us motivating and that keeps us enthusiastic. Yeah. And if we are happy, energetic, enthusiastic, and motivated, we do many things much better than others. Yes. So being happy gets you so much, right? Okay, that's great. So I want you to be happy. So, okay. So tell me, everybody, did you hug your mothers the other day when we discussed? Did you? Okay, that's great. Super great. That is so lovely. She must be feeling very happy at that time. Good. Okay, so we are going to start our today's lecture, and today, right now, is our science class in which we'll be learning about wild animals. Remember, we did it last time as well. We learned about animals, right? And right now, we will be even learning a little more about wild animals, right? And you remember there'll be like many wild animals. Remember that? We watched a video as well, right? Okay, so I will right now will share with you a couple of pictures of wild animals, right? So let's see what we have to share with you. Okay, now look at this. What is this? Can you see this? This is a wild animal which swims into the water. It's so huge. Do you know the name of it? This is a hippopotamus. What is it? It's a hippopotamus. Wow. Okay. That is a hippopotamus. It lives in the jungle. Okay. I have to show you something else. Wow. Now look at this. You know what it is? Yeah? What is it? It's a crocodile. Right? What is it? It is a crocodile. Yeah, that is a crocodile. This also lives into the water, right? Yeah, okay. Now the other animal I want to show you is yeah, an animal with a tall neck. Remember, we discussed about him. It's a cute animal. It has a long neck so that it can um, eat the green leaves from the top of the trees and it can see the danger from the very far away. Yes, they can see the danger from very far away. And you know, zebras, mostly they are with the giraffes so that, you know why? Because they know that giraffes can get the danger very, very quickly. And when they run, the zebras also run away. Oh, isn't that amazing? Yes, it is. Okay. So, giraffe, then crocodile, and then, yeah, zebra. See, we were just talking about zebras. They are mostly found with the giraffes. Why? Because they can get themselves out of danger when the giraffes run. So see, this looks like a horse and this is a zebra. Okay. Now, the other one. Wow, look at it. What is it? It's a tiger. Remember? Tiger? Yeah, that's good. Okay, now what else do we have? Oh my God, look at it. So dangerous. What is it? My God, it's so ferocious and dangerous and poisonous. This is a snake. Remember we discussed about snakes? Yeah, this is a snake. Oh my God, this is very, very ferocious. Now, look at this, right? What is it? Can you see the chameleon? Okay, no, you cannot see the chameleon, right? Now I will show you. Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I hope you can see the chameleon. No, you cannot see the chameleon. Yes. Now, can you see the chameleon? Yeah, that is chameleon. And you know what? It changes its color along with its environment. If it's in a green environment, it can change its color into green. If it's in pink environment, he can change its color into pink. And that is in the couple of seconds, right? And this can breathe with its tongue and it can catches the animals with its tongue, right? Okay, that's great. So this was chameleon. Now, what we have is now we have a bear. You see, a bear. Now, this is a black bear. They can be even brown, they can be even white. If they're in a different ecosystem, if they're in Arctic Ocean, Arctic, uh, mm, they are white in color, right? In Arctic, they are white in color, and otherwise they are black. See, there is a, this is a tiger, and then we have elephant, right? See, long tusks, the white ones. Can you see the tusks, right? And it's got a long trunk, right? That's a long trunk. This is not only elephant's nose, but that is the upper lip, right? This is a trunk, and that is even the upper lip of an elephant, right? Okay, what else do we have now? We have a kangaroo. Yay! See, a kangaroo with the baby. He has a pouch and they keep the babies in the pouch. Right. Okay. And they are mostly found in Australia. Okay. So we have got zebra, we've got tiger and crocodile. And what else? Yay! That is a leopard from the cat family. Remember? Yes, this runs very fast. That is the fastest animal. Okay, now the other one which we have is a lion, the king of the jungle. You see the hair? This is the mane of a lion, right? Yay, that is a lion. And now we have an owl. Remember, owl is also, yes, that's a wild animal. Yes, that is great. Owl is also a wild animal. And what is this? Looks like a little hippo and a little elephant. This is a rhinoceros, right? You see, it has a horn in front of his face, right? Yeah, that is a rhinoceros. And then, yeah, that is the end, right? Okay. See? So we have seen so many wild animals. That is super good, right? We enjoy that. And they all lived in the jungle. You can even see them in a zoo. If you have an opportunity to go to the zoo, you can go and you can find almost all of the animals over there. Okay, so there are a couple of animals which we're going to discuss, right? So you are going to look at this picture. It has got feet of a couple of animals, right? One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. Now we have to see that what animal has this feet, like which animals, whose feet are these, right? Okay. So first of all, we're going to open this. What do you think is the feet of which animal is this? You must have seen that. Hen? No, not hen. This is the feet of a duck, right? Can you see that? This is the feet of a duck. And do you know why is the duck's feet like that? Because ducks use their webbed feet like paddle to push them through the water, just as people use scuba flippers to help them swim. See, they have got webbed feet, so that help them in swimming, right? Okay, now look at the second one. Whose feet are these? Huh? Ostrich? Looks like ostrich? No, I don't think so. This is an ostrich. Now let's find out. Now look at the foot carefully. Oh, that's a camel. That's a camel's feet. And camel have padded two-toed feet, right? They have padded two-toe feet, right? So this is a camel's feet, right? As they walk their toes spread apart, giving them extra support in sand. You know, this is the king of the sand, right? So the feet helps him to walk very fast in the sand. That's why he has got padded two-toed feet, right? The padded two-toed feet, right? Seen that? Okay, that's great. Now we have got the other one right here. Okay, now look at this. Whose foot is this? Let's see. Oh, wow. That is a bear. What is it? It's a bear. And why the bear feet are like that? Look at him. Bear used their clawed paws to catch fish and climb on the tree. Can you see that? They can climb on the tree with the help of that. Wow, that's great. And he can even fish with his claw, with his feet, right? Okay, now, what is this? Oh, maybe you have seen it for the first time. This is a mole. What is it? That is a mole. See, the mole is going into the ground, under the ground. So moles are very expert diggers. Do you know? Moles are expert diggers and they tunnel their way through the soil with their powerful front feet. Can you see? Their powerful front feet, they dig the ground and they're expert diggers. Can you see that? Oh God. See, these claws help him dig into the soil under the ground, right? Okay, now what are we left with? We are left with something with the claws. Yes, this has claws as well. And yeah, that's an eagle. This is not a bee. This is not a mole. It's an eagle. An eagle hunt with their strong feet and sharp claws called talons. These are called talons. And the talons also come in handy for gripping trees and branches and its prey, right? Like this. Okay. Now there is the last one left. Here, what does it look like? Look like a hand like this, right? Yay. So what is it? Let's see whose hand is it. Yay, monkey. Wow. Did you guess it? It was a monkey. He used his feet to hold onto branches like some other monkeys. He can even hold fruit and whatever he wants to eat, like, okay, he can hold the trees and hold the fruits that he eats, right? If you go to the zoo, give the banana to the monkey, so he'll be able to eat that very, very easily with his hands, as we do, right? So you see, there are animals with different kind of feeds, and they'll be given different kind of feeds. Why? Because they can even use it for different purposes, like duck can use the puddle feed with the in the water, so they can swim into that. The camel has double two-toed paddle feet, so he can open up his feet like this, and he can walk very fast in the sand, in the desert, right? And the mole digs underground. It's a very expert digger with his claws, right? Because he lives under the ground, right? And then the bear have to catch the fish, and he has to climb up the tree, and the eagle has to catch the branches, sit on the branches, and hold his prey. And the monkey has to climb on the trees and to hold the food, right? Whatever he's eating. Oh, wow. That is super great. So, you see, we learn about animals, the wild animals. So, if you go to a safari, you'll be able to see wild animals open up over there, right? But you will be in a caged vehicle where you'll be protected, and you can see the animals running around you, the giraffes and the zebras, and even elephant and rhinos. Yeah. And sometimes you get to see leopards and tigers, and very often you see lions just sitting beside the roads. Yes, but that is only available in an open safari in Africa, maybe in Kenya or maybe in South Africa. Yeah, that's an amazing experience if you go there. So, this was about wild animals, which we have learned, and I will ask you to collect a couple of pictures and paste it and look for the animals and how they're different from each other, right? So, you remember we saw a video on wild animals as well, right? Yeah, they were like all the wild animals in the zoo. So this was all about wild animals for today, right? So I'll see you in the next class, and we'll be learning about a little more about other animals as well, right? Okay, that is great, super great. I enjoyed the lesson. I hope you have also enjoyed that, right? So I'll see you in the next class. Till then, I'll say bye bye. I'll say I will see you soon. Be safe. Yeah, stay safe and be happy, right? Okay, see you in the next class, inshallah. Bye bye.